Is your air conditioner trying to tell you something? If you live in Vero Beach, Florida, you know your AC works hard. Here are the top 7 signs that your air conditioner needs service. 1. Weak airflow. Your vents aren't pushing out strong, cool air. 2. Is your AC blowing warm air? It's a sure sign you need AC repair. 3. Strange noises. Any noise like banging, grinding, gurgling, clanging, hissing, or squealing is not normal. 4. Strange odors? Not good. It could be an electrical issue or mold contamination. 5. High energy bills. Increased energy bills are a sign your AC system needs attention. 6. Is your AC turning on and off? Frequent cycling is a sign your system needs attention. 7. Water leaks around your AC unit is a clear indication of trouble. Don't wait for a total AC breakdown. Our expert AC technicians will diagnose the issue and get your AC running again. Need a sign on who to call? AirDocs is Vero Beach's go-to AC repair contractor. They provide same-day AC repair, upfront pricing, licensed and insured experts, Google 5-star rated, locally owned. Remember, when trouble knocks, call the AirDocs for AC repair in Vero Beach. Call 772-773-6776 today.